Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia, and today I wanted to kind of introduce myself to some of the new viewers, thank the old ones for continuously coming back and watching my channel, as well as to wish you a happy new year, and I hope you guys had a wonderful time with your family and friends over the holidays. So if you're new to my channel in the recent months, like I said, my name is Sonia. I am a owner or the face behind Domestic Diva. There is Domestic Diva DIY, which is this channel, but I also have a home cooking as well as lifestyle channel. Now the lifestyle channel is called Life with Domestic Diva or Life with Didi. So they will all be linked down below for you to check out if that's what you want to do. I am also a mother of two teenagers, a daughter who's 18, going to be 19 this year, as well as my son who's 20 this year in May. And I'm also happily married, and I'm also a mom to two very big fur babies, whom Frank and Duke. They're both under the age of 2. Duke is a Bernese Newfie or Newfie Bernese. It looks more like a Newf, and Frankie is a Bosnian Croatian Shepherd or Tornjak, and he just turned 1. They appear in a lot of my videos, and especially over on my Instagram, since they're more willing to take pictures than my children do. And so I wanted to touch base and let you guys know what to expect on my channel for year 2022. I have been really trying to assess what you guys love, because it seems like most of you gravitate towards the furniture makeovers, since those are my mostly watched videos. However, those are also the most involved videos to make, and I cannot always find the right piece to make over. So I will continue to include trash to treasures as well as the dollar store DIYs. As my other years, that's pretty much the same that I've been doing, but I am thinking about incorporating some shop with me's, just so you guys can see, since I am located in Ontario, Canada, and we tend to have many different things, definitely more different than what, let's say, US does or anywhere else in the country, in the world. So I thought kind of more like shop with me, come to the store with me and share those type of things, because I have noticed that interest does exist over on my channel, just from all the comments and all the things that I've been getting. So I thought I'd try out this and share with you some shop with me. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments, or I would love to know if there's any type of videos that you might want to see. Leave me down in a comment, because I will definitely try and make those type of videos. So I want to thank you all for deciding to join my channel and my YouTube family by pressing that subscribe button. And if you're not, and this is your very first one that you're watching, I would love it if you do. Make sure that bell is on as well, so you don't miss out any of the videos that are coming up. And those of you that have been following for years and following along and commenting and being active on my channel, I cannot express how grateful I am for having you here on my channel. It means the world to me. This channel would not be here without you guys. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you all in my next one. Right, Frank? Right? Say bye. Thanks for watching.